So what is up, guys? So today we're drawing this gun right here. So let's get started. So first we're gonna start with the handle of the gun. So like first you gotta do a little curve like that, and then do a straight line above, kind of below that. And then on this, do another kind of curvy line like that. Yeah. And then just another curve like that. There's a lot of curves. Basically everything in this handle is basically a curve. So now let's get started with the other things. So first kind of like start with a curve and then go straight up. And then do another straight line. And then do a line like this, and then do a little curve and then go straight, and then do kind of the same thing here, and then here comes the handle, so you put a big curve like that. So now with the handle, we put in the actual details in the handle. Okay. So just do like a big round like that. Then now do one curve, and then go like that with another curve. Round this up, then connect over there. Now do a curve. And now do two straight lines. Then now do a straight line like that and connect that. So now we just do 3 little bumps like that inside of this. It can be 2 or 3, how much you can fit. And then now we can just do a line like that. Now let's get into like the gun little shooting actual things. So do a straight line like that, another tiny line, and then connect it over here. And then from here, do one like that, and then also connect this one here. We're almost done. We still need like a little more. So do a line like that, curve it, and then make it go like that. There. And then do kind of basically the same thing, but over here. Now the final thing is kind of like here. Do a curve like that. And then carry it on over here. And like that. So that's how you draw a gun.